Video 1, site selection. So we are at our site. You can see the orange cap of the stick up there. There's another stick that's in this deeper pool. So we're looking somewhere in this zone for a spot to put our piezometer. There's our piezometer installation crew gesturing and waving. We are thinking about, for this site, we want it to be a spot where we can get the piezometer into the ground, so no gigantic pieces of rock. We want it to be not in the middle of kind of a deep pool, because we want to be able to take discharge measurements at the site. We want minimal bison traffic if possible, because they can kind of mess up the piezometers and scratch on them. And we want it to be a place that's not super duper dry, because that would lead to a bunch of no data. So the two main spots we were considering was this kind of area nestled in here, which is right downstream of the stick where we were taking samples before. It's pretty rocky, but we think there's a spot, might be able to get it in the ground. Or this spot here, which is just downstream. We're thinking maybe somewhere in this zone, because it seems to be a bit wetter, and there's, I don't know, a spot that looked a little muddy that we could put it in. And I think we settled on this one. The issue with this one we were thinking about was that we might be getting just sort of the shallow subsurface flow between this pool and downstream, whereas this one is basically the last wet point on the stream pretty consistently, and is a spot where we think we might get some longer term water presence. So we're going to aim somewhere right in here.